Hello friends, this is Abhilasha in front of you. Thank you for selecting this video. Today our topic is present continuous tense and you can also call present progressive tense. How to make sentence? What is the structure of present continuous tense and how to use present continuous tense in various situations? We will see together. Okay? Today I have a structure. Subject is RM plus verb. We add ing form plus object. Subject, the person who is doing the action, it is called subject. Is RM is a helping verb. Verb, eating, riding, playing, this is verb, and we add ing form in present continuous tense. Use of present continuous tense in various situation. What kind of situation where we use present continuous tense? Let's see. First I have permanent situation. Permanent situation means the work or anything which you are doing in a permanent situation, continuously. Example, I am teaching in a school. Right now I am not teaching, but I go to school daily and teaching is my job. I am teacher over there in a school and I teach to students. And first, what is the subject here? I, and we use am. With first person we use am. I am teaching in a school means I am a teacher there. Second, she is writing a novel nowadays. Nowadays, writing. And the person, what is the person? She is third person singular number and we use is with third person singular number. She is writing a novel nowadays. In these days, right now at the time of speaking she is not writing, but in these days she is writing a novel. Second, planned and arranged actions. Planned, sometimes you need to pre-planning of work. If you are going to do any work, you require for planning, right? I have example. I am going to London. Again, subject first person, am, we use am with first person. Going to London this week. Right now she is not, I am not going to London, but I am going to London. To go to London, you know about London, right? It is out of India, and if you want to go there you need to have passport and visa. So to go to London, it's not an easy task. It required a pre-planning or pre-arrangements. She is coming on Monday. Again, third person singular number, we use is with third person singular number. She is coming. She is coming on, when she is coming? Monday. On Monday. It is arranged plan. It is pre-planning. We know today is Sunday and she is coming on Monday. So it is required pre-planning. Third, I have at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking, action we are doing at the time of speaking, like I am teaching you, and so right now I am doing work. I am teaching you. So at the time of speaking I am teaching you. So I use present continuous tense. I am reading newspaper today. Right now I have a paper and I am reading. So I use here present continuous tense. She is writing a letter. She is writing. Right now she is writing a letter. So at the time of speaking, the work is going on. Fourth one, I have annoying habits. Which habits? Which annoys others? Right? Someone makes irritate. She is always complaining. Third person singular number we use is always. Always. Here are some words which we use only in present continuous tense. It is regular word like right now, nowadays, always, constantly, forever, continually. These words regular use in present continuous tense. She is always complaining. She is habitual complaining. She is in habit to make a complaint. You are. Here subject is you. We use are with you. Second person we use are. Constantly disturbing us. You are constantly disturbing us. You are constantly, continually, you are disturbing us. Right? So these are the words which you can use in present continuous tense, and here it is structure and situations, and you can read these examples so you will be able to use the present continuous tense. Friends, I will come soon with the new topic. Till then, bye. If you like my video, please like, share and don't forget to press the bell icon. I will come back with the new lesson. Till then, bye.